Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about Seaborn library and see what are the visualization are available using this library in Python. Let's get started. So let's import the necessary libraries. Import Seaborn as SNS, import matplotlib, .pyplot as plt, and then I'm going to use the dataset which are available in SNS. So let's see what are the dataset available in SNS, and choose one of them. Okay, this is the data set which are available. I'm going to use this MPG. I'm saying that MPG is equal to sns.load dataset and pass the name of MPG to that, and then MPG. Then close this one, then MPG. Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's get started with scatterplot. sns.scatterplot data is MPG, X is this way column, Y is this MPG column, perfect. I would like to just a little bit change this SNS scatterplot, set theme this is the difference. Then we would be able to add another thing like set a style for that, sns.set style, for example dark grid, then sns.set context, and say for example poster, and font scale is 1.2 for example. Okay, they are the different one. Then let's continue with again sns.scatter plot, and data is MPG, X is way, this one, I can copy this one, then add your column origin, yep. As you can see, the different origin is going to be here and the different color in our scatter plot. The other one is mpg.correlation. If you remember, I would like to see the correlation for the numeric column only. Put it as true. This is the correlation. As you can see, this one is 1 because each column by itself that has a very high correlation. For the negative one, we can see that, for example, modular with the cylinders is minus and negative. It is the negative correlation between these two. Then I would like to see it in heat map. I would be able to send this one to heat map. Yes, this is our color code heat map. As you can see, this is the high correlation and positive high correlation, and dark color is gonna be negative and low correlation. The other one is SNS.line plot for, again, data is MPG, X is for model year, and Y is for MPG again. This is the line plot. The next one is SNS point plot. I would be able to send the previous one to this. Okay, the other one is SNS.KDE plot. The same thing, but with they again. Typo. If I want to just add another feature to this, I would be able to say file true, I think. And it gives me the different density of the data, different color. The next one is hist plot, SNS.hist plot. Let's just grab the above one like this. I would like to see it. Let's copy. I think it is better. Let's see. Yeah, this is the distribution of the MPG, the better one. For other one, SNS, let me copy the above one and add the KDE to it. Is true. We can see another curve is adding here. Let's copy this. KDE is true. Bin, for example, is 20. bins 20. The number of the columns and the bins is gonna be increased by putting bins for 20, and we do have this curve as well in our histogram. The other one is SS plot, so SNS dot plot again for data is MPG, X is MPG, the next one is SNS dot rod plot, data MPG, X MPG, the next one is count plot, SNS count plot, data is MPG, X is MPG or maybe origin. Yeah, the count of the different origin. And the next one is a bar plot, SNS dot bar plot, data is MPG, X is origin, Y is MPG. This is the average of that one. Box plot, SNS dot box plot, data MPG, X MPG, or maybe would like to give the same data as let's get all of that. And just change it to the box plot. Yeah. And it gives us the outlier as well. As you can see, they are the outlier. The other one is Boxen plots. The next one is violin plots. So this looks like a violin and a strip plot. Then joint plot, it will give us two plots together, histogram and strip plot together. If I add regression line to that, with that, as you can see, it gives us this curve as well, plus two visualization for strip and SNS pair plot, which will give us lots of visualization in one go. It will take time to create this one because too many visualization in one go is gonna be created. As you can see, there are lots of visualization for all of the column will be generated by using this pair plot, and we are able to categorize that one as well by origin, like sms dot pair plot. Data is mpg and u is origin. It takes time to generate that one. Different color for different origin. This is the origin which are available, and we are able to see different color for different origin in our different visualization. Thank you for watching.